Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Xiaomi phone supports NFC and runs MIUI 11 or later. This matters because older ROMs disable key APIs. Next, enable NFC. Open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing, toggle NFC on. Once done, add the NFC quick toggle and a lock screen shortcut so you can test tags without unlocking fully. Make sure battery saver is off while testing because it may limit background tag polling. Now you're ready to read or write basic NFC tags. You hold the tag to the phone's back, typically near the camera or center, and wait for the read prompt. The hush of immediate vibration confirms detection. If you need detail, install an NFC tool app to inspect NDEF records and tag type like NTag or MIFARE. This helps you decide if the tag is writable. Make sure the app has required permissions. Some MIUI builds ask for nearby devices or location, and grant them. Once the app shows a valid payload, proceed to writing or automation. You write using the NFC tool. Choose URL, text, or a custom record, tap Write, then verify by rereading the tag. Validation prevents accidental overwrites. Once writing is done, create a Xiaomi shortcut automation that triggers on NFC to run Wi-Fi, Do Not Disturb, or app launch actions. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone first, test a different tag or reader app, and disable battery optimization for the NFC app. These steps fix most detection or background processing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.